You should use this tool if you want to speed up your video editing process, especially if you're using CapCut. Starting out with video editing can be tough. You might be struggling with things like getting the right exposure, figuring out color correction, or even just finding software that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. It can be really frustrating, especially when you're a beginner. And even when you get the hang of it, simple things like compressing videos can take forever. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a tool that can make all of those problems disappear. Wondershare UniConverter 16. We've all been there. You download a video from TikTok or WhatsApp, and it looks like it was filmed with a potato. Or you use those cool AI text-to-image generators or download images from the internet, and the resolution isn't great. But with UniConverter 16, you can use AI to magically enhance the quality of those videos and images. It's like giving your videos and images a makeover. Here's a blurred image sample. Now, see the difference after applying UniConverter 16's AI enhancement. Look how much sharper, more detailed, and way more professional it looks. Perfect for when you want to show off your pictures on Instagram or Facebook. Same thing you can do with low-quality videos, especially those generated by AI models like Sora. Now, let's talk about something that used to be a real headache: compression. UniConverter 16 can compress your videos in a snap, and the best part is, it doesn't sacrifice the quality. Here's a video. Let's compress it using UniConverter 16. You can set a specific file size to fit an email attachment, or you can set the percentage. With normal compression, it is easy to see the estimated output file size, and after compression, the video is still good quality. With the AI compressor, you still have the same percentage ratios, but it can't determine the output file size. The AI compressor has a much higher compression ratio at the same percentage. For example, a 100 megabytes file compressed at 10% with the normal compressor is 10 megabytes, whereas using AI compression at 10% might be around 0.3 megabytes. Seriously, the difference is mind-blowing. You can actually see how much better it is compared to those online compression tools. Also, UniConverter 16 allows you to batch compress videos, making it super efficient. You can import multiple videos at once, select settings, and let it do its work. And last but not least, let's talk about video conversion. UniConverter 16 supports a huge range of formats, even those super high-resolution 4K and 8K videos at 120 FPS. So no matter what platform or device you're using, UniConverter can handle it. For example, AVI is an older format that can take up a lot of space and isn't compatible with all devices. Let me show you how to easily convert AVI files to MP4, the more widely used format. Open UniConverter 16, click on Converter, import your AVI files, and select MP4 as the output format. You can set the output to be the same as source. The UniConverter will convert your files in no time, delivering high-quality MP4s ready for use. Now, let's talk about a couple of more amazing AI features. First up is the AI background remover. You can now batch remove backgrounds from images with no quantity limit in seconds. This feature is perfect for creating professional-looking product shots or isolating subjects in your photos. Imagine you have a picture of a product you want to sell online. Usually, you'd need to carefully use an editing software to remove the background, which can be time-consuming and tricky. With UniConverter 16, you can simply upload the image, and the AI will automatically remove the background, leaving you with a clean image of your product on a white background. This is perfect for e-commerce listings, marketing materials, or even just creating fun social media posts. Next is the AI Thumbnail Maker, a great way to boost your views. With this feature, you can generate eye-catching thumbnails for your videos with just a few clicks. Think of how many videos you see on YouTube every day. Many of those creators have spent hours designing the perfect thumbnail to grab your attention. But with UniConverter 16, you can quickly generate a great thumbnail. The AI can analyze your video content, suggest different layouts, and add text and graphics automatically. So what are you waiting for? UniConverter 16 is the ultimate video toolkit for beginners. It's packed with AI-powered features that make video editing a piece of cake. If you're ready to take your videos to the next level, head over to videoconverter.wondershare.com and download the free trial. You can find the download link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome videos on video editing technology.